How to download WeTransfer files. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can easily transfer or download the WeTransfer file. First thing you have to do is open up the email. So you most probably got a Gmail that has been a notification that has been sent to you. So just open up the Gmail and then see the notification. Once you open up your email here, you will see the file that has been transferred to you. So go ahead and click on the Get Files option, and it will open up another site here, and you'll be able to download the files from here. So just click on this download button, and it will get ready to be downloaded. And all you have to do here is just wait for a bit, and it will automatically download the file. So just choose where you want to save it. I'm going to go to my downloads and then save it here. And that's pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.